Manya.
We welcome you to the second game of our Monday triple header dito sa Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, ang Liga Night.
Averaging close to 12 points and 6 rebounds in almost 21 minutes of play. As you see, Hessen Gabo opens up the game with a three-pointer. But have 11, 12 rebounds. Yung ganong stat line.
You're right, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe one steal and then a couple blocks.
And that's why he continues to be one of the more serviceable big men here. 22 points para sa kanya. Matiliano. Ball tapped. Picks it up. Shot clock at 10. Matiliano takes it. Three-pointer is good.
Right between the eyes of his defender.
Raflores pulls up. Jumper is good. J.R. Raflores showing us the stroke.
Alam mo sino nakita ko kahapon?
Calls that foul, the travel rather. Here Collado misses. Look at J.R. Raflores. Brings it up.
Skanda floor pa eh. Pero ito, dahil medyo nakadistansya yung kanyang defender, even with a good challenge, was able to knock it down. Pero ito, mahirap i-challenge sa rim to. Mahaba, athletic.
King into the middle. Kicks it out. Marami pang oras dito ang Pangasinan. Napoles. Galing sa labas. Jory Napoles. Raflores. At the post against Napoles. Hook shot is good. J.R. Raflores showing us the whole repertoire.
Bilis bumaba ng Muntinlupa, no?
Well, when you have Poroy Katimbuhan leading the break, that's always going to be a fast break sa Pangasinan Heatwaves. Raflores, mid-range. That's good para kay J.R. Raflores.
I only have
Emergency pass, Lohera. Runs out of space. Matiliano has to take it and make it.
Right there, pretty much that broken.
Puts the ball on the deck. Marvin Hayes off balance. Gob offensive rebound. J-Boy Gob with a deuce.
Right there, you would say that was
straight, while itong Muntinlupa already with 4 straight victories. Barrera, he has been solid the past couple of games for the Cagers.
Nabanggit mo, no? Buong season sa three-pointer.
Correct.
Eh, di ba, specialist sa three-pointer yan. Pero sabi ni Marvin Hayes, Coach, Javi, relax lang kayo. Ito. Saka, based on reviews, like generally speaking, isa sa mga pinakamasarap pang laro yan, yung 13s, right?
I'm not really sure about the...
Kulang na lang middle lane yung shoes eh.
Ramos from downtown gets it from the corner, and Muntinlupa is like a house on fire here at the start of the season.
Making a lot of them.
Napoles hit one from there earlier, gets another one from that same spot.
Boy, where would be where of taking shots and knocking them down?
Pagsanhan gets the steal, gets it back. Harvey will challenge Ramos at the basket. Harvey Pagsanhan gets the deuce.
Love the finish. Really determined. Shooting at a good percentage at 45%. What a rebound by Flores.
The specialty of the house para kay Lervin Flores. Offensive rebound inside the entry to Lervin Flores. De Gregorio doesn't settle for the three-point shot. Harvey Pagsanhan once again.
Excellent pass right there by De Gregorio. And
points. Hayes could not extend it. Matiliano holds it down. Domark from mid-range, hand in the face, no problem para kay Domark Matiliano.
There's a big reason why he's bawian siya.
Pangasinan quickly on the other side. Flores puts on the brakes.
Nice.
Napoles gets it off the glass.
You have to be impressed with this.
Another rebound. That's now 7 in the game for Lervin Flores. Galanza, another try, this time beyond the arc. Three-pointer is good para kay Bong Galanza. Oh, good. This is a 3-on-2 break. Pagsanhan takes it strong to the cup. And one opportunity para kay Harvey Pagsanhan.
You see, he's
Collado. Quick take. No. Vic keeps it alive. The muscle man off the glass. That's a goal.
Counted yun. No, counted yun. Tinamaan yung net eh.
That will count para kay Vic Manuel.
Second quarter led by Pangasinan. So obviously their defense was on point, but Kurt Lohera opens up with a spin floater move inside the...
Intercepted by Pagsanhan. Collado running through the middle. Able to split the defense. Say Collado with 2 points.
Might have gotten away with it.
He was already running the floor well, but now he's even slimmer. Eh, makikita mo talaga yung difference eh.
there's a lightness to his step. You know, I think that's the
Swings it to the corner. Manuel from beyond the arc. Collado holds it down. Offensive rebound and the stick back para kay Jay Collado.
well, it wasn't a turnover, but certainly
Muntinlupa turns it over.
libre.
Gators. Galanza finally gets one to drop.
Well, he was open for like
Ramos, turnover again para sa Cagers. Melencio all the way to the cup. That's going to be an easy basket para sa Pangasinan.
obviously another thing in mind, which is go backdoor. That resulted into a turnover and a layup on the other end. Matiliano wala.
Gets his own miss, drops it off. Hayes, the two lefties connecting there.
Pagkatira ni Matiliano lang nila maipasok.
Well, that's always been a problem para sa Pangasinan in their early games. That's why
In practices. Not that he's not practicing. Pero syempre, dahil nandun na sa taas, as Matiliano finally gets his first field goal after such a long time.
Pangasinan has had 5 threes in this game, but instead they've managed to find Michael Mabulak at that baseline.
A 20-point performance in the last outing.
Melencio trying to take Sarangay off the dribble. A successful eye. Barrera to the corner. Hayes, no good on the three. Barrera gets it back, and there you go. A chance for 3 points the old-fashioned way para kay Mark James Barrera.
Coach, kung totoo man na delaying the game yung bench, dahil sa tinawag mong delaying the game, lalong na-delay.
And Melencio beats the quarter buzzer there. Quick. Muntinlupa misses on their first possession here in the fourth.
Pass.
They go downstairs. Napoles from Michael Mabulak. Sieve rebound, goes for the shot himself, left it short. Flores, he has remained quiet here in the second half. And after an explosive start to this game, Barrera, siya naman ang sumusubok na kumamada dito para sa Muntinlupa. Let's bet, big-to-big connection, Mabulak to Napoles. Lervin Flores this time finding Mabulak inside.
This time, on the second quarter, siya nakakuha lahat ng rebound. Swapang din sa rebound pero kasi yun yung kaswapangan na gusto mo, no? Sa mga loose ball.
Definitely di siya swapang ngayong fourth quarter because he's getting his 9th board of the game. Pagsanhan cuts to the middle, another assist para kay Mike Mabulak.
I tell you, rebounding, floors, and in this game, you know, everybody has been contributing.
In their own little way, just like that guy, Lervin Flores. That's
Hindi
already a
rebound yun.
bonus.
Hindi rebound yun.
Exactly, Coach. That's why I said bonus na yan
Yes.
pag mga puntos, lalo na pag jump shot. Barrera will try to get it back. That's 3 points para kay Mark Barrera. Ahead, the pass a little behind. They get to save it to Hayes. Lohera is all alone, and he will put it in for 2.
Not a fan of that decision.
Manuel had to take it. The shot clock was winding down, although that was a miss. Hayes, left flank 3, knocks it down. Marvin Hayes brings Muntinlupa to within 9 points. Shot clock reset at 14. Hayes kicks it out. Lohera will redeem himself. Yes, sir.
Ohio, I wish that hindi na siya nag-step. 11 field goals in the first half. They have 22 in the game. The big difference, as you kept on mentioning, Javi, as Kurt Lohera will score one inside to trim the lead down to 5.
They almost lost it. We'd like to thank LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL.
Especially in defending the 3.
These 2 free throws could possibly ice it.
Yung possibly. Pag na-shoot to, wala na talaga to.
Clock to run out. Pangasinan gets their 8th victory and effectively moves past Pasay in the team standings. And 66-59 our final score. Harvey Pagsanhan is at courtside with Miss Lyra Punsalan.